Hey guys, it's you, Chantel. Sorry, I had to wait for some people singing happy birthday outside my window. It is Drew Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we have crinkle cut fries baked in the oven with some ranch behind here you can't see. And then we have a vegan patty. It just has lettuce and ranch. You guys can see that. And then of course, oh, gotta show the logo, Dr. Pepper. Okay, I mean, this is probably gonna be my thumbnail. It's like massive. All right, you guys, let's get a first bite. I usually buy the Wonder Bread, but this is the ballpark bread. And the bun is so much bigger. Hope you guys are doing all right. Hope you're having a good dinner. Or had a good dinner, or will be having a good dinner. Okay, you guys, I finally finished Ozark. This is gonna be spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. This is gonna be a spoiler alert. So okay, when Ruth got shot by Camilla, Javier's mom, to me, it was too obvious that she was gonna get killed right then and there. There's been so many other times that Ruth I thought was going to get killed, and it was like, oh my gosh, it was like very suspenseful. But then when she pulled up and she's on SUV, like in her driveway or whatever, it was obvious she was going to get killed. Then I thought one of the birds was going to get killed, either the mom, one of the kids, Marty. So then I'm like, okay, cool. None of them got killed, even though I didn't want Ruth killed either, but they tried to give her so many chances to get out. He was trying to get her fake ID. She just was, I don't know why, being stubborn, didn't want to leave. Well, when I saw that detective guy sitting outside with Ben's remains, I was like, oh great. Here we go. But when Joni came out there with the shotgun and the parents didn't say anything, you knew they had changed for sure. Like, they didn't stop him. They were like, no, because they probably figured, well, they did figure out, it's like kill or be killed. So they pretty much just let Jonah kill him. I mean, we're assuming, but I mean, what else could have happened, you know? But overall, good show. So bummed it's going off. And then when Omar got killed, I was like, oh my God. When he's getting transported to the other jail or prison, and he kept asking, where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? And the guy was like, oh, there's a boat. Here's a gun, there's a boat. And then he heard the guy click the gun, turned around, shot him. But if you guys have not watched Ozark, you have no idea what I'm talking about, but you should watch Ozark. So now I have to, now that's over, it's perfect timing for me to buy a new book, because one of my favorite authors, Emily Giffin, has a new book coming out called Meant to Be. So I have to go pick it up. I mean, we'll have to go buy it. That'll be my summer book read, or that'll be my read for the summer. Our books are so good. As soon as you finish one, you want her to like have another one ready. I kept these fries in a little bit longer. They're a little bit brown. Not brown, but they're a little, crunchy. But that's okay. I wasn't at cheese to this, but I was like, I don't think I've ever had, I guess I do eat cheese with it, but normally it's rarely that I eat it on a bun. So usually I like cut it up. But now I have all these buns to freeze. I wish I had a 4-pack. Because I don't need that many. Yeah, so and then I finished painting my bathroom. I just had some touch-ups to do because I'd taken down a shelf. So I just ran over, just touched up the wall, and then I finished painting the staircase railings. So we have these wet paint signs around the house, like going down the stairs, so we remember that it's wet. And it dries fast, so I know it's dry, but I still don't, want to touch for a couple of days. And then I can just put up my decorations, which is only like 2 things for my bathroom, and then I'm done with that. And then what does I have to do? I have to clean out my back patio. Well, it's time to rinse it down, sweep up the leaves and stuff, but I need new hose. So I just have to do that. I'm like one of those like to cut down like some of the trees or whatever you call them, like, you know what I'm talking about? It's like, it looks like big clippers, because we have like some shrubs back there that I need to cut down. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm like getting full. And this is getting messy. I think I'll do one more bite. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care, guys. And also, don't forget to share this video and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know every time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.